We have the beginnings of trying to salvage utility inputs. Fresh water fill, electrical inlet, city water inlet, which appears to have a pressure regulator built in. Okay, first issue, the city inlet pressure regulator leaks, and it's kind of cracked a little bit here where the compression fitting goes in, which I don't have compression fitting, like I'd have to buy an adapter. So I know it's kind of a bummer because it is a pressure regulator, but I don't want it to leak the whole time. It's just no good. Freshwater fill, electrical inlet, city water inlet. As I mentioned, leaks, city water inlet. The electrical inlet is a different style. This one had more of just the cord would go outside of the camper. We're converting to a 30 amp, male plug, like a newer camper. So that's what we're replacing with. We're getting these installed. Was digging around in the scrap bin there and found this nice cutoff. Check it out. This was from the front nose portion of the camper, that section. So this just happened to be the right size. It's laminated. The city water inlet cut out. Got the pocket holes drilled. Boom, 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 boom. Let's glue this up and send it home. Alright, we have all of the utility connections installed on the exterior of the camper, obviously without the aluminum on it, but we gotta make everything work and plumb it. So if you look at this guy here, this is the original freshwater fill. It's actually broken, but this way that this works is you kind of leave it there, and then the freshwater fill goes into there, and these are all stainless screws. This is the electrical inlet. It's a 30 amp. Now looking back, actually this is a marine style plug, so that was not really ideal. We had to get some adapters. I'll show you later. This is the city water inlet, and the hose on there. So, and this is actually steel, which is nice. So now here's the eel, shore power, marine style, 30 amp plug. So let's show you how that guy goes in there. And and then this thing locks into the, instead of having a threaded on ring, it locks on that. It got grippers. I'll show you how we got it plumbed from the inside. So here's the freshwater fill for the tank. I have some plumbing going, and then it's going to go into the tank. We'll show you that later. This is the 10 gauge cord that goes to the electrical outlet, or the electrical connection inlet, that goes right into the inverter here, the inverter charger. So that's what feeds that, and then that'll have an output. So here's the electrical in connection, and then this is the city water inlet, which has a check valve built into that city water inlet. And then I have it converted to PEX, and this is actually removable. I have it cranked down, but so you can remove it to take this off to put the aluminum on the camper. So it's not plumbed 100%, but we got the stuff in place.